All right. I will send it to you. Okay. Yeah, well, he told him now. He's already there.
The issue, the originating process itself, summarily is complaining about our learned colleague, Barrister Peter Mbah, is complaining over the disclaimer of his NYSC certificate, number A808297, that it was not issued to him, and this fact are untrue. So he has approached the court asking for 20 billion damages for conspiracy and fraudulent misrepresentation of fact. He also felt that from the processes we filed, we have all his documentations during and after his NYSC. So what we have done now is that the court granted the first prayer in the interim injunction and the request and deferred the second prayer to the 22nd of May so that the NYSC and one Mohammed will be able to come to controvert this fact. And then the important thing there is that NYSC did not print those certificates because there are security features on it. It was printed by printing and minting. And the crack investigators in Nigeria has investigated this matter, and they are coming to give evidence against NYSC. And you know he can't defend himself as the governor-elect. And that's why we're here, to also protect his interests and the interests of the people who voted for him in the core city of Enugu State and his colleagues worldwide. We have received so much calls as to whether he actually went to NYSC or not. With the bundle of papers we have filed in court, it is clear that he was mobilized. At a certain stage, he went to do his bar part 2 and applied for deferment. Subsequently, he came back, he was immobilized. He completed the NYSC, he was issued his certificate. There are panorama of pictures of this governor. Just take a look at this. This is Peter Mbah. This is Peter Mbah on the rope. This is Peter Mbah. That's why we're here this morning. And I thank the court for granting those reliefs and deferring the other one for the 22nd of May.
You think that yes, acting or putting the tribunal
Yes.
as one of those who should be restrained.
Yes.
Some people will think that it's a bit ambiguous because that is probably what did not allow the court to actually give its ruling on this second.
No, it can't be. It's the interpretation of the word tribunal. It could be administrative tribunal. It mustn't be election petition tribunal alone. And that's why he deferred it. And I'm good with him. So there was nothing we are trying to suppress. The document is speaking for itself.